Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to use this one ingredient to grow your hair and your bald spots and edges. Even the most stubborn hair cannot resist this one ingredient. So my name is Sophia. In case this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please kindly click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family and click on the notification bell also so you get notification when I upload new videos. So guys, let's get into it. The ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this oil is okra. Okra, when applied to hair, it has nutrients that will help stimulate your hair growth. It also prevents dandruff and it moisturizes your hair and your scalp to prevent it from drying up. It also has vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C and K, and also potassium. These minerals and vitamins are very beneficial when it comes to natural hair growth. So I'm going to go ahead now and slice up my okra and then mash it up to come into smaller pieces. So once my okra is ready, then next I'm going to place my pan on the stove and then I'll be adding 60 ml of olive oil. Next I'm going to go ahead and add also 20 ml of black castor oil. So once I'm done adding the black castor oil, I'm going to add my okra into the oil and then I'll stir it and wait for it to steam for a few minutes. So I'll be stirring it while it's steaming to make sure the okra mix and infuse very well into the oil. Then I'll wait for it to turn brown. This is it after a few minutes of about like 15 minutes on the stove. The okra has turned brown and is ready. I'm going to go ahead now and turn off the stove and then I'll bring my okra down and wait for it to cool off for a few minutes also. And once it has cooled off, I'm going to go ahead and filter it and take off the okra shaft to separate it from my oil. So this is my oil that is infused with okra. This oil is very rich and vitamin packed. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it onto my application bottle. So this is how my oil looks. It is good and ready for use. So now to apply this oil to my scalp, first I started by spraying my hair with my leave-in spray made of rosemary and moringa. I made that a few days ago. And once I'm done spraying that to my hair, I'm going to go ahead now and apply my oil to my scalp. You want to apply this oil to your scalp like twice minimum or 3 to 4 times a week to get good results from it. So I'm done applying it to my hair, guys. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.